Alright guys, so you guys know that in Irvine, California, Woodbridge, there have never been this many mosquitoes. So we bought a bunch of different products, and this is one of them, the Thermacell mosquito killer. It charges easily with this little cable here, and that plugs in there, no problem. It has a magnet, so it's very easy to use, and when these bits there make contact with that, that's when the battery will run. All you need to do is press this button once, and it'll do its job. But the biggest issue with this thing is the refills are pretty expensive, and they only last about 2 nights is what we found. Once this dries up in here, there's usually liquid. When you first buy it, then you're done. The other annoying thing is removing the black thing that you can buy on here. I don't have it with me, but if you do have that thing that it comes with, it's pretty annoying to remove it, and it causes you issues. Oh, there it is, I found it. So it'll come like this, and taking it off is quite annoying.
Likey